Hey guys, this is Gil Zebafeld and I am coming to EuroSTAR. One of the things that I'm going to do this year is a whole tutorial, half-day tutorial about API exploratory testing with Postman. So that's a lot of words, but we're going to talk about all of those. First of all, like tools, Postman. That's a great tool if you haven't touched it before. If you have, that's cool as well. Great for APIs. What we're going to talk about it is not how to do automation and stuff like that. We're going to talk about the exploration part though. And that's interesting because we're going to talk about what is exploration, how does it feel like, how do we feel about it in the context of APIs, what we can do, what we can play with. We're going to talk about charters and how to make them, what to do during exploratory sessions, what to document, and how to come out and report what we found in order to make it valuable for all the feedback that we got, pass it along to the developers and other people who make decisions in order to feed back into the product itself. So API exploratory testing with Postman, half-day tutorial on tutorial F on the first day of EuroSTAR, Tuesday, June 11th. Come, I'm sure you'll enjoy it, and it's very valuable in terms of API exploration, testing, and Postman tools. See you there.